Good evening, I am Devishika. Welcome to Bharti News. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines: IMD issues rain and thunderstorm forecast for several reasons. Prime Minister Modi extends birthday greetings to Rahul Gandhi. India says Indus Water Treaty outdated, critiques Pakistan at UNHRC. United States lifts maritime blockade on Iranian ports and coastal areas. Asian stock market indices end on mixed note. Major European indices trade negative. Global crude oil prices decline. Brent crude slips 1.1%. Mexico become first team to enter FIFA World Cup knockout round of 32. Colombia and Ghana secure winning starts in FIFA World Cup. Now news in brief. Indian Meteorological Department has forecast heavy rainfall today at isolated places over Assam, Meghalaya, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal and Sikkim. Moderate to heavy rainfall is also expected over Arunachal Pradesh, Bihar, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal during the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended greetings to the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, on his birthday. In a social media post, Mr. Modi prayed for his good health and long life. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla also wished Mr. Gandhi. India strongly criticized Pakistan at the United Nations Human Rights Council and called the Indus Water Treaty outdated and unsuited to present-day realities. India stated that the agreement no longer fits today's reality and argued that a country which continues to sponsor terrorism cannot expect the benefits of cooperation founded on goodwill and friendship. The United States has lifted its maritime blockade on vessels entering and leaving Iranian ports and coastal areas. US Central Command has said that all the enforcement operations have been halted in line with President Donald Trump's directive. In a statement posted on X, CENTCOM said, American forces are no longer restricting maritime traffic linked to Iran and that naval operations aimed at enforcing the blockade have ended. Asian stock market indices ended on a mixed note today. South Korea's Kospi jumped 2.2% to settle at a record closing high of 9,064, while Japan's Nikkei 225 climbed 1.6% to finish at an all-time closing high of 71,053. Taiwan's TAIEX advanced 1.3% and Singapore's Straits Times Index gained 0.6%. In contrast, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index declined 1.6%, while China's Shanghai Composite slipped 0.4%. Global crude oil prices declined today. Brent crude slipped 1.1% to 78 US dollars and 67% per barrel, while West Texas Intermediate crude lost 1.7% to 75 US dollars and 46 cents per barrel at the time of the last report. In FIFA World Cup, Mexico defeated South Korea 1-0 at the Guadalajara Stadium. Mexico to become the first country to qualify for the knockout round of 32 today, following a tactical scoreless first half where clear chances were spared. The decisive breakthrough arrived in the 50th minute. Mexican midfielder Luis Ramos capitalized on a major defensive blunder, turning the ball into an empty net after South Korea goalkeeper Kim Seong collided with his own defender, Lee Ji-hong, and split a high ball. In FIFA World Cup, Chile was held to a 1-1 draw by South Africa in Group A match at the Antantla Stadium in United States last night, which keeps the chances of reaching the knockout stage alive for both teams. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Bharti News. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.